Here in beautiful Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, and we are doing a dry vent cleaning today. We're going to take a before and after airflow test measurement here. The dryer's on now. Let's see what kind of flow we get. Alright, we're just under 10 miles per hour, so we're going to clean this dryer duct out really good and take another test. Ooh, got a nice little hornet's nest there. Just seen that. Gotta be careful. Let's check it out. Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. Gonna take our second airflow measurement. Just did the dryer vent cleaning. So let's check it out. Over 16 miles per hour. Right at 16, which is really good. Really, really good.